So this box just arrived from Homemation, who are the distributors for some of the most exclusive and extraordinary audiovisual and home automation products in the world. So let's see what they have sent us. Oh wow, check what we have here. Any ideas what this is? Let's find out. At least this box is smaller than this monstrosity. Okay, so let's see what we have. Ooh, Lego. I love Lego. And it's a McLaren Lego Speed Champions McLaren Formula F1 team 9 plus, definitely older than 9. 2023 McLaren Formula 1 car. And we've got some more goodies we need to look at, but let's just check the Lego out quickly. Really cool. I can't wait to build this. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay. Bowers and Wilkins and McLaren. This is technical information. It's earphones. This is really cool. And yeah, the headphones. McLaren and Bowers and Wilkins with all the information. And here's the speaker. This is really cool. So Homemation are the distributors of Bowers and Wilkins in South Africa. Bowers and Wilkins, the British audio pioneers behind some of the world's most respected sound experiences, have announced an exciting new chapter in their partnership with iconic performance brand McLaren. And yeah, we've got all the information here, which will be on my website as well. I'll share the link below. So while the two brands have worked together for almost a decade to bring exceptional sound into McLaren supercars, this partnership now shifts into a higher gear, expanding to include the McLaren Formula 1 team. So that's why we've got the McLaren Formula 1 team Lego. And yeah, again, the speaker. We've got the headphones and also the earphones. I'd love to check these out. They're really cool. Okay, let's see what else we got. And yeah, there's a note announcing Bowers and Wilkins partnership with the McLaren Formula 1 team. With compliments, Republic PR. Worked with them for a while. I think that's it. So thank you so much to Republic PR, Bowers and Wilkins, McLaren, and obviously Homemation for this awesome gift. I'm definitely going to be building this Lego 2023 McLaren Formula 1 car. And then when it's done, I'm going to display it right up there. Thank you so much. And don't forget to click the link in the description to read the full press release.